Hey, beautiful learners! Picture this. You've been studying English for 3 years. You know thousands of words. But last week, a tourist asked you for directions, and your mind went completely blank. Why does this happen? And why do some people who started learning English yesterday speak more confidently than you? I'm Sarah from Listen and Learn English Easy, and today I'm revealing the invisible progress method. 7 psychological tricks that rewire your brain to think in English, not translate from your language. No more memorizing, no more grammar drills, just real, natural fluency. Grab your coffee. This is going to change everything. Secret number 1. I call it the movie mind technique. Here's the truth. Your brain is a storytelling machine. It doesn't remember grammar rules. It remembers stories and emotions. Instead of memorizing vocabulary lists, I want you to do this. Every morning, pick one object you see, your coffee cup, your phone, your shoes, and create a 30-second movie in your mind. This coffee cup traveled from a small farm in Brazil. A farmer named Carlos picked the beans at sunrise. Use simple English. Make it dramatic. Make it funny. The stranger the story, the better your brain remembers the words. Research from language acquisition studies shows that emotional connection increases vocabulary retention by 40%. So don't study words, experience them. Try this tomorrow morning and tell me in the comments, what object did you choose and what story did you create? Secret 2. The shadow loop method. Secret 2. The shadow loop method. And no, this isn't about repeating after podcasts for 20 minutes. Here's the smarter way. Pick a 10-second clip from your favorite English show. Listen once. Shadow it immediately. Then, this is key, wait 2 hours and shadow it again. Then wait until bedtime and do it once more. Why does this work? Because spaced repetition with physical movement creates muscle memory. Your mouth learns the rhythm, not just your brain. I do this with Taylor Swift lyrics. Don't judge me. Her pronunciation is crystal clear. Find your 10-second clip. Link it in the comments so other learners can try too. Secret 3. The messy first rule. Secret 3. This one is uncomfortable but powerful. The messy first rule. Most learners wait until they're ready to speak. They want perfect grammar first. But here's what neuroscientists discovered. Your brain builds language highways faster when you make mistakes early. So I challenge you, record a 60-second voice message to yourself every day for 7 days. Talk about your breakfast, your plans, anything. But here's the catch. You cannot stop to correct yourself. Keep talking even when you mess up. After 7 days, listen to day 1 and day 7. You'll be shocked. The messy practice rewires your speaking confidence faster than any grammar book. I call this productive ugliness. Embrace it. Secret 4. The English persona game. Secret 4. Let's get playful. The English persona game. When you learn a new language, you can be anyone. So create an English alter ego. Maybe you're confident Charlie, who never apologizes for their accent, or curious Kate, who asks 100 questions. Every time you practice English, become that person. Wear something that reminds you of them. This isn't silly, it's psychology. The mask reduces anxiety by 60% because it creates psychological distance between you and mistakes. My persona? Bold Sarah. She doesn't care about perfection, only connection. Who's your English persona? Name them in the comments. Secret 5. The micro-immersion environment. Secret 5. You don't need to move to London to be immersed. Create micro-immersion right now. Change your phone language to English for just 2 hours a day. Label 5 objects in your room with sticky notes. Follow one English-speaking Instagram account that posts about your hobby, cooking, gaming, fashion, whatever you love. But here's the trick. Don't look up every word. Let the language wash over you. Your brain is picking up patterns even when you don't understand everything. Trust the process. I labeled my coffee maker brewing station and my mirror confidence check. Sounds weird, but my brain now thinks brewing every morning without translating. That's the goal. Secret 6. The teach to learn loop. Secret 6. The teach to learn loop. But with a twist. Don't just teach what you know. Teach what you just learned yesterday. When you explain something you barely understand, your brain has to simplify it. This forces true comprehension, not memorization. Every weekend, find a language partner or post in a Facebook group. Let me explain the present perfect to you in 2 minutes. The pressure of teaching will solidify your knowledge faster than any textbook. I still do this with advanced grammar. If I can't teach it simply, I don't really know it yet. Secret 7. The celebration anchor. Final secret, and this is the most important one, the celebration anchor. Your brain releases dopamine when you celebrate wins. Most learners only celebrate big achievements, passing a test, finishing a book. But language learning is about tiny, daily victories. Did you understand one sentence in a movie without subtitles? Celebration dance. Did you remember a word you learned last week? Fist pump. Did you speak English for 30 seconds without switching to your language? Victory lap around your room. This isn't childish, it's neuroscience. You're training your brain to crave English practice. The more you celebrate small wins, the more motivated you become. I literally keep a win journal. Yesterday's entry: understood a joke in English without help. That felt better than any grammar score. Conclusion: the challenge. Beautiful learners, here's my challenge. Don't try all 7 secrets today. Pick one, just one, and do it for the next 5 days. Maybe you'll try the movie mind technique with your morning coffee. Maybe you'll create your English persona and wear their costume to your next practice session. Remember, fluency isn't about knowing more words. It's about using what you know with confidence. These 7 secrets build that confidence by working with your brain, not against it. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It tells YouTube to show this to other learners who need these secrets. Subscribe to Listen and Learn English Easy for weekly episodes that make English feel, well, easy. I'm Sarah. You're capable. You're making progress even when it doesn't feel like it, and you've got this. See you in the next episode. Keep listening, keep learning, keep celebrating.